Hi, I'm Linda from English Learning Mind Map. Today, we will learn about elite football management. Elite football management. To dictate tempo and outmaneuver opponents through elite football management, we must modernize every department. Basically, we are running the team like a high-tech business to win more trophies. Tactical periodization. As a core pillar of elite football management, tactical periodization allows us to synchronize movements and instill discipline in the squad. In simple terms, we practice exactly how we want to play during every single drill. Positional play. Positional play is a specialized branch of tactical periodization used to exploit space and manipulate blocks of defenders. This means teaching players to stand in the right spots to make the other team confused. Numerical superiority. A key technique within positional play is numerical superiority, which helps to overload zones and isolate defenders. To put it simply, we put 3 players near one opponent, so we always have a free man to pass to. Transition specialization. Transition specialization serves as a practical application of tactical periodization to capitalize on turnovers and reorganize rapidly. Essentially, we practice the chaos moments when one team loses the ball and the other wins it. Gegenpressing. Within the scope of transition specialization, we prioritize gegenpressing to stifle counters and regain momentum immediately. In other words, we sprint to win the ball back the second we lose it so the opponent can't attack. Analytical scouting. Analytical scouting is an essential component of elite football management designed to pinpoint talent and validate potential. Simply put, we use data to find great players instead of just watching them with our eyes. Data Volatometrics. Data Volatometrics is a functional layer of analytical scouting that helps to quantify performance and eliminate guesswork. This means using sensors to see exactly how fast and how often a player moves on the pitch. Expected goals, XG. To enhance data volatometrics, we use expected goals, XG, to assess quality and simulate outcomes of matches. At its core, we use math to see if a player is lucky or if they are actually good at shooting. Predictive modeling. Predictive modeling is a vital aspect of analytical scouting used to anticipate decline and project growth in young athletes. Basically, we use computer formulas to guess if a 16-year-old will become a star in 5 years. Injury forecasting. Under the umbrella of predictive modeling, injury forecasting helps to mitigate risk and monitor workload. In short, we look at the data to see if a player's muscles are about to snap so we can give them a rest. High-performance conditioning. High-performance conditioning is a critical requirement for elite football management to elevate stamina and optimize recovery. Effectively, we are turning the players into perfect machines through science and fitness. Neuromuscular training. Neuromuscular training is a strategic part of high-performance conditioning used to sharpen reflexes and enhance coordination. This means doing brain and body exercises so players react faster during a fast game. Proprioceptive drills. A specific tool within neuromuscular training is proprioceptive drills, which work to improve balance and stabilize joints. To put it simply, we do balancing acts to make sure players don't get hurt when they turn quickly. Biometric monitoring. Biometric monitoring is a vital element of high-performance conditioning used to track vitals and gauge fatigue levels. Basically, we use smartwatches to check if a player's heart is working too hard. Sleep optimization. Within biometric monitoring, sleep optimization helps to facilitate repair and boost alertness the next day. In other words, we make sure the athletes sleep well so their muscles heal and they stay sharp. Commercial sovereignty. Commercial sovereignty is the final branch of elite football management intended to diversify revenue and expand influence globally. Effectively, we are making sure the club has enough money to buy the best players. Brand globalization. Brand globalization is a key part of commercial sovereignty used to penetrate markets and cultivate loyalty in fans overseas. In simple terms, we want people in Asia and America to wear our team's jersey. International academies. To strengthen brand globalization, we open international academies to harvest talent and export philosophy. At its core, we build soccer schools in other countries to find young kids who can play for our first team one day. Fan engagement. Fan engagement is a vital aspect of commercial sovereignty used to deepen connection and mobilize supporters worldwide. Basically, we are using the internet to make fans feel like they are part of the club family. Digital monetization. Under fan engagement, digital monetization helps to leverage content and generate profit through apps and videos. In short, we sell special online access to the fans so the club can make more money to spend on the team. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English lessons.